Hi, Adam Grocke from Johnston Grocke. Welcome to the Finance Update. We're back after COVID, which is great. So we've got got everything together. We're back in the office and business is back to normal. We were actually functioning as normal, just without an office through COVID. So just an update with what's happening in the market. So there's lots happening, which is fantastic. So we've seen the activity increase recently. So everyone who their purchasing or their refinancing on pause during COVID-19 has come back into the market, and we've seen that quite strong. So the buyers are back in the market, which is great. We've also seen lenders come out and said that they're actually going to look at COVID-19 and almost disregard that if the employment situation is back to normal now. So that's great. So they've been quite generous with their review of what happened through COVID. So if people have a job, we can still get their money. We can actually still get people a loan if they've had JobKeeper payments, as long as we can get a letter from the employer saying that they're returning to work. So we can include that $1,500 for servicing. So that's really important. So if you've got any clients or prospective purchasers who are on JobKeeper and are confident that they're going to return to work in full-time or 80% capacity, we can actually get that deal done and get that across the line, which is great. Money is still cheap, so we're seeing fixed rates at 2.19%, which is just phenomenal, and variable rates for owner-occupiers at 2.49%. Just a few things to keep in mind: that we do have some banks that are doing no mortgage insurance at 85% LVR, which is great. So normally you pay mortgage insurance above an 80% LVR. So we've got some lenders that are doing it up to 85% with no mortgage insurance, which is great. The biggest theme at the moment is this home buyers scheme, which has come out, which is not just for first home buyers, it's for anyone who's going to be doing substantial renovations of $150,000 or doing a new build. Now there's some eligibility criteria you need to be aware of for that. So make sure you're eligible, but we do have two lenders who are actually accepting the home builders scheme grant, the $25,000 as a deposit to help get those purchases across the line. So most of the lenders at this stage have said they're not going to include that as the purchaser's deposit or the person who's building deposit, because the funds are paid straight to that person's bank account. The bank can't control that money, so they can't guarantee that that won't be spent on something else. But we do have two lenders who will accept that, which is fantastic. So if you have clients or potential purchasers who have a lower deposit and need that to make up their deposit to purchase, we've got some options there. Service levels are still okay with most lenders, which is great. There was a significant blowout with a few lenders as they got busier because they were offering cashbacks for refinances. We've seen that cashbacks for refinances are still out there, but they're down to about $2,000, where they were up around $4,000 to entice people to move from one lender to another. So really, pre-approvals takes about 2 weeks to get pre-approved, at worst case 3 weeks. Thank you very much for your time. If you've got any questions, let me know. Thank you.